Food symbolizes abundance and prosperity. That's why they are a vital part of offerings on special occasions. Kusu Zangpola, I am Sangyangden Jermi and I'm here in Pangbisa, Paro. In this episode, we will learn the recipe of a popular dish of Paro Dzongkhag known as Jomja. Jomja is a traditional dish usually prepared during special occasions like Lomba. People of Ha and Paro celebrate Lomba, their traditional New Year, over a period of 10 days. Family members come together from all over the country to celebrate this occasion. It is celebrated to offer the first harvest to the local deities for another prosperous year. During the festival, traditional games like Degor, Kuru, and archery are played. The time is spent preparing special meals and brewing local alcohol. Good prayers and good thoughts are the main focus of the celebration. I feel that most people will not be aware of this dish that we are about to make in this episode. First, let's take a look at the ingredients required to make Jomja. Cooked white rice, eggs, perilla seeds known as shimti, butter, ginger, onions, garlic, mustard oil, walnuts, salt, chili powder, and spring onion. Lombo occurs during the winter season when the farmers finish harvesting the produce growing in their fields. So ingredients like walnuts, rice, and perilla seeds are available abundantly. In Bhutan, especially the western part of the country, butter is considered to have a rich texture, to be used in food to make it more special. For that same reason, fresh butter is used in making the gravy for Jomja. Let's prepare the base with cooked rice. Here's an interesting tip. Put butter or oil on your hands in order to prevent the rice from sticking. You should knead the rice really well since it needs to be fully kneaded, and Jomja would not be good with chunks of rice. Peel garlic, ginger, and onions. Cut the onions into thin slices. Garlic and ginger should be made into a paste using mortar and pestle. Keep some salt, chili powder, mustard oil, butter, and chopped walnuts to use to prepare the gravy. Let's prepare the perilla seeds, which is locally known as shimti. For the gravy, we need powdered shimti, and shimti tastes even better when it's roasted. Now let's transfer it to a pestle and we can make it into a powder. Shimti excrete oil, so it might not be fully powdered. Instead, it will be a thick paste. Now let's scramble 2 eggs and keep them aside. Heat a frying pan with some butter and mustard oil. Add ginger and garlic paste along with onions, salt, some chili powder, and the shimti powder that we made earlier. Then add scrambled eggs and the chopped walnuts. Mix it well. Now that our gravy is ready, let's pour it on the base. And spread it evenly. As a finishing touch, let's sprinkle some green onions. This adds to the aroma of the dish. Jomja is now ready to be served. Another special thing about Jomja is that each member of the family has a role to play while making it. So in a way, we can say it brings the whole family together to spend some quality time. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Try making this dish at home with your family. Thank you and Tashidalek.